Solve the equation. 3 times the quantity 2x minus 2 minus 4 times the quantity x plus 6 is equal to 4x plus 8. Let's start by simplifying this left-hand side using the distributive property first. 3 times 2x is 6x minus 3 times 2 is 6. Next we'll have a negative 4 times x, or a minus 4x. Negative 4 times 6 is a negative 24. That's set equal to 4x plus 8. Next we'll combine like terms. 6x and a negative 4x is 2x. Negative 6 and a negative 24 is a negative 30. And that's equal to, on the right-hand side, 4x plus 8. Next, let's combine our x terms on the same side and move the numbers to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. 2x minus 4x gives a negative 2x. Also, let's move the numbers to the right. So add 30 to both sides. 8 plus that 30 is 38. As a last step, divide both sides by negative 2 to get x is equal to a negative 19. Now, it's always a good idea to check your solution into the original equation and verify that it does indeed work and you have the correct solution. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's check x equal negative 19 in that original equation. So that becomes a 3 times, in parentheses, let's make that a bracket, 2 times negative 19 minus 2 minus 4 times, in parentheses, in place of x, we'll put negative 19 again. So negative 19 plus 6, is that equal to 4 times a negative 19 plus 8? Well, let's clean up both sides. 2 times a negative 19 is a negative 38, minus 2 is a negative 40. So 3 times negative 40 minus 4 times, in parentheses, negative 19 plus 6 is a negative 13. Is that equal to, on the right-hand side, 4 times a negative 19 is a negative 76. Then we'll add on the 8. So is a negative 120 minus a negative product here is going to become a positive product, 52. Negative 76 plus 8 is a negative 68. Combining terms on the left, we get a negative 68 there also. So we do have a true statement. Therefore, we feel very comfortable with this solution of negative 19. Let's summarize by saying the solution set is negative 19.